Hello and welcome to Cooking with me, Banjosandwitch, and today we are cooking rabbit stew, and here are the ingredients that you will need to make my amazing recipe. Check it out. You will need a casserole vegetable mix, some vegetable stock cubes, some chicken stock cubes, and some rabbit fillets. Hi, now I'm making a stock, which I'm boiling a pan of water. I'm adding 2 chicken stock cubes and 2 vegetable stock cubes from these packs, and boiling and then resting, ready to add the rest of the ingredients. My stock is made, so that cooled down, ready to add the vegetable mix later. I'm going to add my rabbit to the oven and cook for approximately 45 minutes till it's properly cooked through. The bunny is in the oven. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. I've had the meat in, and then I'm going to chop it up, simmer it for an hour, then add the vegetables towards the end. The cubed rabbit is in the stock. I'm adding a few handfuls of mixed herbs to the boiling rabbit in the pot. Just to add a little bit more flavour. Now I'm going to add the casserole vegetables to the rabbit, which should have infused the water by now. I'm going to leave to simmer for another hour. The rabbit stew, after a couple of hours, is ready! Serve with some crusty bread. Bon appetito!